Alright guys, so I saw a lot of different swings, a lot of different techniques, so I'm going to teach you the basic and most fundamental way to swing your driver, so that way whenever you're practicing on your own or we're out on the course and we're having issues, you can use this drill to go back and relate and fix some of your problems. So the very first thing I'm going to do is tee a ball up, and when we swing, we have to make sure that our club is in the right position on takeaway, up at the top of the backswing, as well as our follow through, okay? So the very first thing is just like our chipping exercise before we started hitting the driver. I want everyone to have step one, right? Step one is to have your feet aligned up, ball on the left foot, grip is good, posture is good, right? Okay? The next step, remember what we did with the chips? When we were getting warmed up, everyone's just halfway, right? What I want everyone to do, this is step one in your swing. Step one is at your hip high. And you see everyone point to their toe of the club right here. Good. Okay. Now I want everyone to come stand in front of me now. And I'm going to show you what I mean. So we're hitting the ball this way, right? I want everyone on step one to pretend like there's a big clock behind them, okay? We have 12 o'clock up here, 3 o'clock over here, 6 o'clock down at the bottom, and 9 o'clock over here. Does that make sense to everyone? Yes. Yes? Okay, good. So when we do step one, I want everyone to have their club head, the toe of the club, pointed at 12 o'clock. Does that make sense? We're not over here at 3 o'clock. We're not over here at 9 o'clock. We're here going straight back, step one, pointed straight up at 12 o'clock. Okay? Step two is here. That's step one. Step two is we're going to twist and go up. And a good reference point is when your chin hits the top of the shoulder here, we don't need to go back any further. Does that make sense to everyone? So we have step one. Step two, it hits my shoulder, I don't need to go any further. And then step three is just like we did with our chips. I want everyone's chest and hips to be working together. So we have step one. Step two, we're turning our hips and our belly button. And step three is just like our chips. We're gonna have our chest and hips move together, wrap it around, and I want everyone up on this back foot, holding their finish for 3 seconds afterwards. Does that make sense? Okay, we're going to go back into our individual stations and get started, and we'll work on that drill, okay?